certain mass
Video ni ay video.
Video din na.
aya pa nga na constant change sa volume sa water. So therefore,
Rockers kininduha, oh.
graduated cylinder anyang volume, na-applyan siya ko sa ka-definite mass, mao na siya na yung result siya sa usa ka density. Diba? Oo. Ang 74, nag-imply lang na siya after nga naanay.
Agay hilay. Kay ani mga.
Kabalo ko sa mga po na akong una na akong nga thought.
Di paminaw sa ba?
First thought, ang mga first thought kay moro be correct.
Paminaw sa lagi.
Oh.
Paminaw sa ha. Kay nani mangguni siya. Kung ima na siyang i-equate,
Speak
for
to me in
example,
English, I cannot understand.
sige, ay paminaw. Hindi ka maka-understand. Naraman din. Kita mag-storya. Di ba kita magkasinama?
Sige na, gumaminaw ko.
Nani,
Nakubid ka blue.
kung ang volume is 74, imo mo ko na siyang
Hindi
equate.
ko kabalo
Equation ba
mo
yan na siya?
convert ana.
So, equate mo na siya
Si Jan, bala
sa
na.
mass. So, kung ang naaputong mass nga katong sa metal, butas-but, it is contained atong 74.
So the sudden rise.
But,
So how can we take significance of the 24 ml?
But pasabot balakaw na takay kapoy nako.
Nagkakalakaw nagtaka ako.
Ano ni mo badong? Tod, asa ni tapadong?
Mao na lat sila. Mao na nga dili na ka makakuan because you just ran out of words.
No, it's not about running out of words. It's about having
You don't have anything to further your
having
proof.
being
Excuse me, you cannot
tiresome
prove.
of these things, tiresome of
You
this,
cannot really
being
perfect your
tired,
reason.
Being tired of these arguments, when in fact these arguments is going to nothing. It's going to be useless. What are we arguing at?
I don't.
I mean, your parameter doesn't even explain what we're arguing at.
Excuse me, you
Yeah.
definitely know.
Defend
Give
yourself.
me time to speak about my argument. You know.
No, I will not give you any time.
I will just try to further.
Why should I?
Because you're not listening.
Why should I?
You're not listening.
I mean,
You
just give
should
me
listen to my
I mean,
explanation.
just
In
give me
order
an
to
explanation
justify
why I
and
should
satisfy
listen to
yourself,
you.
you need to listen to me.
Sige na ba?
Muna si Godzilla o si King Kong
So
gaway.
definitely, you cannot give such further information if you're not really responding to any stimuli. You need to respond to me perfectly intelligently.
I am responding to you, and now I'm telling you to stop this, to understand, because it's going to nothing.
You know what?
Sali
You
paninduha.
know what? I'm just
Andar mo.
applying some certain laws. I want to respond
I don't care about
intelligently
your law,
to
because your law may not be my law, and my law may not be not your law.
I'm not buying on your explanation.
So that does not include laws here in this argument.
No, I'm just asking for your ideas.
I don't want
But
you
you
to
are
ask anything
destroying
from me.
the
I just
entire
want
course
you
of
to
everything.
shut your
No,
mouth
you're not intending.
unless
You want to
continue
contend with me. That's the main reason. You just admitted yourself that you want to contend with me.
Hello, boy. Bisaya mo ko.
Ah! Lipstick siya.
Na, bye-bye, Shen. Di ko na, Shen. Bye-bye, Shen.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Sheena.
Bye-bye, Shina. Bye-bye, Shina. Bye-bye, Shina.
Ikaw, dili man ka maminaw sa kuha kung sa ko istorya, bisaya na jud ra maka.
understand you.
Okay, I want to speak it to you fluently if that's what the case is requiring about. Now try to speak it in your mind that you're not really responding to stimuli. You should have responded intelligently to an intelligent behavior. Try to have the motivation to determine the course of action here in this debate.
Excuse me, are you talking? Ano ba ganyan sa giyoya man? There, say it.
Lumukon ka na ko. Bitaw na ang first na ko nga perception is katudyo ko 74.
Hanap ka, boy.
Kita lagi, kita yung una.
Sa oras na.